Did you know that as an adult, you need credit for everything? Do you even know what credit is?
Hey, I'm Alex. This is Philip. We teach you what you need to know about your personal finances using words that you understand without boring you to death.
Because adulting shouldn't suck. If you want to start learning how to build your credit, leave a comment #adulting below and don't forget to subscribe.
So today we're going to teach you about how to build credit with or without your parents, because pretty much everything in life requires credit. Whether you want to move out and get an apartment on your own without a cosigner, you want to go get a car on your own, or you just want your own phone, really as an adult, everything depends on having credit.
All right, so growing up, my mom had horrible credit, right? When I went to go move out on my own, I had a friend that I moved out with. He grew up from a middle-class family, so he kind of understood the concepts of credit. So I learned all of my credit knowledge from him by what he did. So today, we're going to try and teach you more of a guideline to go by instead of figuring it out as you go. Okay, so we have 4 steps to help you get started with building your credit. Step 1, get a secured credit card.
So when you get a secured credit card, typically you have to put up your own money as collateral. Usually it's like $300 to $500, and then you borrow against your own money instead of borrowing money from the bank. And this way it's zero risk to the bank. It's a secured credit card rather than a regular credit card. And the benefit of this is it allows you to start building your own credit without help from anybody else. Whether you have bad credit or no credit, a secured credit card can help you do everything on your own. Now, you make those payments for 4 to 12 months, and at the end of that, usually the bank will refund you whatever money you put down as a deposit, and then it will convert over to a regular credit card. One of the main things you want to make sure when you get a secured credit card is it does not have any annual fees, and that you make sure and pay it on time, because you don't want to pay even $1 of interest while you're trying to build your credit. And we're going to talk about how to do that.
Step number 2, charge minimal stuff to your card and pay it off on time every month.
A lot of people tell you, oh, use it for small things that you buy every day and then pay it off on time at the end of the month. I wouldn't even do that. When you're first getting started and you don't even know how to use a credit card, I wouldn't even use it to buy gas or small groceries or coffee or whatever, because that can actually get out of hand. What you want to do, the best idea, is use it for one small thing and set it up for automatically being paid every single month. So something small like Netflix or Hulu or Spotify, and then set it up from your bank account to automatically be paid off every month on time, and that way you never forget to make a payment and you don't get charged anything in interest. So you literally don't pay any money to start building up your credit, and it's stuff that you're already getting anyways, and then it's being paid automatically, so it takes all the human error out of it.
Step number 3, repeat step number 2 for 4 to 12 months. Step number 4, get your secured credit card switched to an unsecured credit card.
So at the end of that 12 months, sometimes the banks will automatically convert it over to a regular credit card, or you have to call them. So just depends on which kind of secured credit card you get. But no, at the end of that 1 year mark, either you have to take some kind of action or they're going to automatically do it. But if they don't automatically do it, it's on you to call them and ask.
And the best part about it is your deposit typically gets applied to your credit card as a credit.
Yeah.
If you found the steps in this video helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with what we're talking about. In the comments below, let us know what you liked most about this video.
And if you have a friend that you think would benefit from this, make sure you share it with them.